Action.
It's acting. It's acting.
Alright, my question is, how is Miss Sana feeling right now?
Bad.
Let's take our turns. Yes, Shiza?
She's feeling very bad because like someone is like bullying her and her is like hurting her feelings.
Okay. How is she getting hurt?
Because on social media she's sending.
Loudly, a little louder, please. Yes.
She's all these other people have friends, but they're sending social media pages of her sleeping, and now they're laughing and bullying.
So we have two words, bullying and social media. Anything else? Yes? Jannat? Zarnab?
Sir, she's feeling like embarrassed and
Okay, one more answer. Yes, Arham?
she's feeling sad.
Louder?
She's feeling sad. She's feeling.
This is what Miss Sana is feeling right now. Embarrassed, sad, upset. Any other word for that?
I'm crying.
Angry?
Crying.
Crying. She feels like crying. Yes.
She feels so sad after.
She is sad. Yes, Usman?
And he is crying and his friend was taking picture and sending to his other friend.
So their act actually was making her upset, depressed,
Crying.
felt like crying, bullied,
Hurt her heart. Unhappy.
sorry, hurt her heart,
Embarrassed.
embarrassed.
And doing annoying.
Now my next question is, how are you feeling right now after seeing this?
So I feel like when this action was starting, I was like it was happy to me, but when the acting was ending, I felt very sad.
Why did you?
Her on social media.
They are bullying her on social media. Very beautiful message communicated to you. How?
By acting.
By acting. So which medium is that? Yes.
They are acting. Pretend
Drama?
don't bully them.
Yes, they acted.
Why drama? And they didn't even say anything.
So what kind of medium is that? When you don't say anything and then you act and communicate a message. Mime. This was one way of communicating a message which you very confidently shared that it is mime, it is acting. And when we act without any props or dialogues, that's called mime. What other mediums of expression can we use to convey the same message? And how? Think before answering. Feelings, yes, share your feelings, but what other medium can we use? This was mine, one of them. What other mediums? Yes.
By singing.
By singing, all right. And how
By
do
singing.
by singing, you write a
By
song
dancing.
about this? Yes.
By dancing.
All right. Dancing how? Explain me a bit.
Act like dancing like people is playing and they are bullying.
So you like the entire act can be a dancing act and
Yeah.
same message can be communicated.
Yeah, like
Very
that.
interesting.
They can dance and they
Can
can
be,
laugh.
it can be, but for
Interesting
like
idea.
these kind of performances we use physical theatre
All right.
because dancing is more for entertainment most of the time. So if we have to perform something like these serious issues, so then we call it physical theatre. Okay.
All right. What other medium? Then think out of the box and come up with something that you've not thought of. Yeah, but and then you can do what? A poetry. So you can actually communicate the same message by writing the words. All right. What she's saying is that to have new ideas, because I mentioned think out of the box. Maybe this is what she's saying. Okay, you can come out in the nature with this quiet. With this, you can sit quietly and think which medium you want to use to convey your message. Is that it, Transit? Yes. Gentlemen, yes.
By drawing.
By drawing. So how many mediums did we think of?
By sports. By sports.
By playing sports?
By
How can you do that? Just one by one. Monologue, song, painting, nature. But this is interesting. Sports. How would you convey such a message by playing sports?
Like when you're doing like sports, so you can also whenever if you get bullied or anything, so you can also do sports to make yourself calm, or you can like maybe you can do a performance with sports and just prepare.
So that would come after when you're in the state of depression. God forbid if you are, then you can play and feel better about it.
Yeah.
But my question is, if you want to send the same message across to an audience, and you said by using sports, how can I do that?
By writing. By writing.
By writing is done, but you can think about how can you use sports for that. Yes? Sign language. Very good.
But social media,
Social media. Yes.
then you can copy and paste.
Maina?
And spread it like anything, like a wildfire, like they did. Thumbs up on that. Last two responses we'll wind up. Yes.
In drama.
By what? Posters? Yes, that's right. Yes.
Drama and puppets.
Okay, so let's consolidate and see in how many ways can we convey different messages to a mass media, to a larger audience. Drama. Somebody said drawing.
Letter.
Somebody said poetry. You said letter. You can write a letter also. Sports. You said that you have to think about it. How will you use sports for that? Anything else? Puppets. Performing, that comes under drama and acting. Sign language, yes, sign language. Monologues and
Dialogue.
dialogues.
Coming
Dialogues will come under which heading? Which discipline will it come under?
We can also do speeches.
Okay, speeches, very good.
Emotion.
Drama, Chancellor, let me come back to you. Dialogue will come under drama when you're delivering those dialogues. Verbal communication, but what will it come under when you're writing those?
Okay, this is the central idea that you've been exploring for the past
Unit of inquiry.
years. Unit of inquiry.
It was for the unit of inquiry.
Right. So this is my hello to all of you, and I really hope
Hello. Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone's.
Yeah. Before we start, make sure to prepare
In
answers.
this drawing, the person so the person is telling something to the person, and then the guy, like the person, is like the other one is like happy that he followed the rules, I guess.
Mhm. You're saying that is happening if somebody is giving some instructions and the other person is happy to receive it.
Yeah, so that he understands the instructions.
All right. Any
But
other?
maybe he broke the law.
Okay, Shami, your perspective.
Miss, I think those two people are communicating with each other. They're using their communication skills and social skills. And the person down is saying something, and the person up, he's giving a smiley face. Maybe he likes the thing that the other person said.
Okay, very nice. So this little image about communication skill is conveying a lot of messages. Vali, what do you have to contribute?
Miss, so it's like the person is saying like talk politely to the other people, because like when he's talking like on his face there's a smiley face, so that means he's talk politely.
Okay, maybe it could be that is one perspective. I like that idea. Shiza, would you like to contribute?
Miss, maybe they're showing that communication can be in different ways. Like you can communicate by listening to someone. You can communicate by apps that are like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and like different apps. Like you can also, if you call someone, and you can stay with someone online, even if they're not even in front of you. And you have to listen to someone, understand the communication skills.
Very good. I was waiting for this point. A major part of communication, while speaking is one major part, listening is the most important part as well. We'll take Mushtaba's answer and we'll proceed. Mushtaba, your contribution, please.
So miss, they're like telling like different ways to like one in person, like the happy face, maybe like messages, like different types of like how to express ourselves.
Okay, very good. So you guys have picked up pretty much the similar aspects, but have you noticed that all the perspectives were different from each other? Yes. My question here is, were you hearing those songs or were you listening those songs?
Listening.
Listening.
Okay, what do you think is the difference between the two, hearing and listening? Are they not the same?
They maybe are different.
Miss,
One by one, it is a yes. I agree to that also. And if you know any reason.
Miss, because like listening is like when somebody is telling you to hear that. Hearing is whenever you want to, like if you want to hear songs, you can hear songs.
Okay, go a little deeper. What exactly you mean? You said listening is when somebody asks you to hear something. That means somebody is particularly asking you to.
Somebody asks you to like listen to this, then you call it listening. But if you just want to hear it, then you call it hearing. Like nobody is telling you to listen to it.
It's your right to write. You read that? So I'm going to basically share a link in the chat box.
Responsibility.
We will going to make a quick decision here. Those who can access the sheet can work on that. Those who are unable to access the sheet, they can write their answers in a copy and then share it with me later. Function, responsibility, what are these? What are these?
Miss, these are our key concepts.
Okay, first the key concepts are going to help you unlock some ideas in your head, and then you're going to give me your responses. So we begin from form. Before answering this, you have to think of the music that you listen to. If it was that Urdu song, Tashdare Hiram, or if it was the other one, which was a patriotic song, just keep that in mind and then start answering these questions. Okay, my question is, which song did you have in mind and what did you write in the form section?
In form, I think the music was the Qawwali, and in Tajtare Haram, and the genre is the
Genre.
music.
Genre. All right.
Yeah, the genre.
That means we need to know more about different kinds of genre. That's fine. Mustafa, how about you share your answer for connection And which song did you have in mind?
I think like it was like a Qawwali, maybe about my religion.
Okay. So do you have a query then? Hmm. Or are you confident
Yes.
about this? Is there a query attached to it, or are you confident about your answer?
Yes, but
Okay, so how did it make you feel?
it make me feel like we have to give more to the poor.
Okay, so it made you start thinking on something. Very interesting, very interesting. Okay. Mhm. So what kind of emotions were evoked while you were listening?
Miss, I was feeling calm. I was feeling happy about it. That I was listening to. The song was very fast. It was calm. It was relaxing.
Tala, do you want to contribute something? Okay. All right, fine. That's fine. So my last section was responsibility. While we have understood that music or many different kinds of music, they do affect us in a way or another. Maybe one music would affect us positively and the same music will affect differently to others, but it does touch us in a way or another. So being responsible learners and responsible citizens, what do you think is our duty to use this medium to convey a message?
Like if I start a religion music, then if people listen, then they can always also learn from there something.
Come again, say it again, Padma.
I really think that like if people also listen at religions or something music, then they can also like learn something from it.
Yes. And if there is do you think if there is an issue which is happening around and people are observing and they want others to know about it, do you think we can use this medium for that also? To explain that to people what is happening?
Yeah, because they can make also like some music related to it and just then if people will see it, then they will know what they will know about it.
Think that music can convey some kind of messages, right? Like Tare Haram, what do you think was the message conveyed through that?
It's like telling about the our religion, like we will go to Medina and everything.
Okay, so what about religion here? What is that about religion? Going to Medina, what does it tell you?
Like it's telling about our own religion, like Islamic religion, and it's telling about that there is a place you can go and it's really you should go there, and it's telling about it and making us do it. It's making us express it and making us to go there.
Okay, and why should we go there?
Because it's our prophet's place.
Okay, and how does it help a Muslim if they go there?
I don't know.
Can you think about it? It's a place that you very rightly said. It is a prophet's place, and why would we want to go to our prophet's place? What emotions would we carry when we go there?
Like we will feel good that we can see our prophet's house and everything.
The emotions of love.
Yeah.
You think so? Yeah. Out of love for our prophet, we would like to go there and experience and think about things that had happened years and years ago, thousands of years ago. So it is our love which is going to take there, right?